Let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time, so let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
Alright, what day is it? Like day 19, 20, whatever.
I think it's 19.
Alright, it's 19. We're regretting the decision to do this, but we're almost through, so we're gonna stick through it.
You're right.
No, I'm just joking. I just thought that would make a funnier opening. I'm guessing this is the Ohio River?
North exit toward Detroit. No.
Oh, I'm guessing this is a river?
I think that's it. River, and I think that's like Erie right there at the end.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's Erie at the end. Anyway, we left our hotel. We're on our way to the Henry Ford Museum after we go on 75 north towards Detroit. Today's gonna be, unless I find something really amazing, today we're just gonna go rope drop to Last Kiss at the museum, get something for dinner, and then we're gonna be like going to bed at like 6. That's the plan.
That'd be nice.
Alright, we're here at the Henry Ford Museum complex. It's bigger than I thought it would be. It's like a little city. A cute little city. I don't see the museum yet. Maybe this is it? Looks like this is it. Cool. Off we go. Oh, I found out what Mommy was hiding from us. She knows how much we love Star Trek. We're going to be going to Star Trek Exploring New Worlds. Are you excited?
No.
Neither am I. I hope that wasn't the super. I hope that wasn't one of the things she wants to buy. The White House isn't this big. Pretty day. It's a pretty day to be indoors in a museum. No. Yeah, we'll go to the village too, as well. Wow, this is a long corridor. Is that part of the museum? We will find out. Whoa, bright. There, it's not. We are in. I don't know what to do next. I'm not looking at the map. I hope the whole museum isn't going to be like this. Squeak, 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 squeak. That's pretty neat. Can you explain that to me? No. The train tracks in the sky. Does that look historically accurate? Is it just weird?
Or the giant TV that's right by
Well, that's just, that's an old tube TV. This part's really pretty, outside the museum. I like the music. Beautiful day out. I'm guessing high 70s, low 80s, but no humidity, so it's extremely comfortable. It's all over the place.
What?
Horse shit is all over the place.
Oh, because it's in 2 spots.
Oh. Yeah? Very cool, there's a carousel. Oh. I guess I just missed the Model T parade. There were a bunch, and there's the culprits. Actually, it's not their fault.
Culprits?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. But I mean, they're just doing their job.
We're supposed to be
which I, the one and only Henry Ford, founded in 1929. It was summertime and the birds were singing with gusto. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. I said the birds.
What? Wait.
That's better. Listen, Mr. Frog, I think it's time for you to get back to the carousel over there so someone can ride you. Your break is over.
All right, Mr. Ford. See you later, boss.
Well, as I was saying, one fine summer day, little Sarah Bennett came to the village with her beloved grandfather. Did they know what a grand adventure was in store for them?
It's a cute little place to eat. I don't want to eat there, but it's cute. Can you jump on it? Does it make the... Oh wait, there's going to be a car. See if a car comes through and does it. Yeah, he does. Ford's Garage. Yeah, like at the gas station. I remember that. See? Fun. But the museum lacks. We're eating at a fun place for lunch. Ford's Garage. I think I already said that just a second ago. But
The thing is, though, the original is not here.
Where is it?
Florida.
Yeah, isn't that? Yeah, that is very strange. It should be in Detroit.
And this is the bathroom. The sinks are tires, and the water faucets are gas powered.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. This is a fun place to eat.
I'm very tired.
Yeah, we are all very tired. So hopefully caffeine and food will pick us up a little. So buddy, I got an original question to ask. Did you like lunch?
Yeah.
You liked it too?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fun. Sorry we didn't take more videos of it. We were just enjoying the lunch and then got out of there.
We're very tired today.
We're very
so
tired,
we're not
yeah.
taking that many videos. This video's probably gonna be 5 minutes long.
Maybe.
One of the shorter videos.
Like Aaron's shirt.
Yeah. Knobles. Still sounds weird. We're going into the Detroit, Michigan Science Museum, or the Detroit Science Museum. You didn't see very many videos inside the Henry Ford Museum because you know how Disneyland is the happiest place on earth? The Henry Ford Museum is the boringest place on earth.
The thing is, they could have, the thing is they don't have any interactive things, like, hardly at all.
No,
It's the Michigan Science Center.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, they did it in the driest way possible.
It's that way.
We're going...
Right here, so it's that way.
Okay, we're going that way. They've already got my attention. Fun! We are definitely science museum people. Although some other museums like...
I'm so excited.
Oh, I'm already excited. My expectations are sky high.
I like their logo. It's
Yeah,
cool.
and the building is shaped uniquely, like most science museums are. But we like natural history museums, like MPM. That's definitely not a science museum, and it is awesome. Let's take a look in here. Yeah, that's the Mackinac Island Bridge in actual scale. Ooh, where is it? Oh, wow. They're really proud of it. Jeez. Alright, let's see what that white piece of paper does, or sheet does. That's pretty neat. Close up the people's.
Wait, what about magnetic
Slide a
field?
tile up into the view.
Whoa.
That's pretty neat.
Okay, let's try a different one now.
Right
Try
there in
this
the
one.
beginning.
That's pretty cool. Okay,
Infrared
that's
light.
infrared light. Okay, go to the next one. Magnification. It probably just means you can read those words.
Well, I can't read it.
Well, yeah.
You wonder when you look up at the stars?
Don't hurt your eyeballs.
What do you wonder when you look up at the stars?
That's a good question. Infrared, what's on there? Oh, the galaxy. And what's the magnetic field like? What?
Let's try another one.
Alright.
Alright. Go ahead, move it around a little bit. Keep it close. Or that seal. We don't want any starting to feel something? Yes. All right. I'm going to get closer to you. Yes. Whoa, what's happening? Gee, it's becoming vacuum sealed. So, do me a favor. What do you think you're having a good time? You can. Why not? Because you're stuck in because all that air pressure puts you down on you? Yes. Okay, well, let's restore your equilibrium and let's give our volunteer a big round of applause and give you ready. You're very welcome. Thank you for volunteering and showing our audience the immense pressure that's pushing down on us. Now, this is why when we travel to the bottom of the ocean, we have to go to the submarine because air is even, is lighter than water. Water is much more dense. So if we were at the bottom of the ocean and we stepped out of our submarine, we would be crushed by the pressure. Our bones would break, it would not be fun. But let me ask you guys this. If you were in a station and you walk out of the bathroom,
They were able to build it even though they were missing the number 5. But now, the best part about building it is destroying it. And that's how it gets done. Hey, Shannon, check this out. They're going in the hot mix asphalt plant. Looks like a little funhouse thing. Hey, you're like that bird last night.
Oh yeah, I talked about hot dogs.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It's interesting.
Yeah, it's very interesting how they decided to make a bridge like that.
Yeah, look, there's a bridge.
Oh, jeez. Can you fix it? No, nothing does anything, so you can't fix that one.
I was like,
Which one do you have to think? You have to go in the folder? Ooh, I like this. Oh, is this live? I don't know. Is it? It's a Twitter feed? Live?
It looks like there's
Oh. Yeah, I don't think that's live footage.
I hope it's not anyways.
Yeah, unless something really crazy is going on.
That's not live.
Good job, investigative reporter. Uh-oh. Look at that, buddy. You call me the megalomaniac. Now that's really zoomed in. And you look, yeah, you look scary. Oh, I love science museums. Yeah, isn't that really interesting? That at every intersection. Well, down here it is, but yeah, it doesn't look. Some are centralized. Maybe this one is as well. But yeah, this is what makes these intersections. When you hit the crosswalk button, or when you pull up to an intersection, it's these mechanisms that turn the lights and make sure everything's running right.
and make sure that it's safe
Yeah,
for
it
it
is.
to become like to walk.
Right.
When you press the button.
Right. Like. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm learning a lot at this museum. Or.
Usually science museums are like, see that, see that.
Right.
See that.
No, this is.
Wanna go upstairs?
Yeah, let's go upstairs first. We are now in the depth exhibit. It's more of a science art gallery to inspire you to conserve and protect. This is neat. I'm guessing this doesn't look as cool on video. But it is pretty neat. You want a plush fish?
Yeah, that feels like this. It's so plushy.
I can't see it. Wow, it's just dark in here.
It makes me want to go to sleep.
Well, that's why I got you out of the chairs.
Well, then you got me into this.
Oh, jeez. This exhibit.
That was cool.
Yeah. What do you think, Aaron?
I took the test.
Yes, you did, and we all failed.
It's different.
It is.
It's Michigan for you.
Yeah, I like the art installations.
And that's a jellyfish, and it's made out of plastic bags from grocery stores. Do you know that? It's all made out of plastic bags.
I saw a bunch of the stamping machines, but this is what the stamping machine does. You bring in the metal in, and then you can't see the footage of it. You bring it into the stamping machine, it stamps, just pretend it's stamping. And then it comes out, cut. And that's how they make doors and stuff like that. Part of the process.
Here's proof that it's not actually stamping.
Wow, you ruined the illusion for everybody. The magic is gone. Forever.
He does get dirty.
But your regenerated circuits are tuned to synchronicity, and that causes concatenation in the intermediate amplifier. No, that's good. From now on, I don't think there will be any trouble with your rope. Your domestic problems are completely solved.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, perfectly all right. And if there's anything else you want
Yeah,
to know
that's
about
cool.
your robot, don't hesitate to give us a ring. Today,
Another farm.
Yeah. Gosh darn you, Henry Ford Museum. Just show things where the machine parts can be informative and humorous and...
Yeah, that museum's really cool because it is all about innovation, but like it's not. It's funny. That museum is all about innovation. There's nothing innovative about the museum.
No, and it's soulless. Yeah. He's gonna probably change the channel again.
That's right. 2 extra large pizzas, double cheese, pepperoni, ham, mushrooms, and I'll call you back. Ich bin ein Berliner. And that brings us right up to today. Exhausted. Say, should I tell these folks what a robot is? It comes from the word robota, from Czechoslovakia, and that means forced labor. That means that we humans get to tell robots what to do. Now, if your mom and dad tell you to clean up your room, and you don't want to, just say, hey, I'm not a robot. What? Oh, yeah, you're right, Google, you're right. Sorry, on second thought, maybe you shouldn't do that.
Here's the gears on the assembly line, and they want you to make this, and then when your color comes by, you put it in the correct location. Isn't that pretty cool? That's a good way to learn about assembly line production. It really is that simple to make us want to learn. Check out what Aaron's doing. I forget what this... Oh, Luminarium. It was made by the French. It was in the Japan World Expo, and now it's here, teaching you about light and color. Neat. We're learning a lot here, actually. This one's just for fun, but the car was really cool. Oh, okay.
Maybe. Want to sit a concave one stuff?
No. Ooh.
Now look at a convex one.
Oh, that's cool. I think I liked number 1. That's the same. Can you do that again? Yeah, number 1. Or what? Yeah, let me see what shadows colors you can make. Let me see the shadow colors you can make. Yellow, show me what else. Red, purpley. No.
Blue.
Yeah, green. Cool.
Light blue.
Look at me, I'm so skinny. We're making a rainbow. We're making a rainbow.
I'm gonna get dizzy now.
We're making a rainbow.
Stop. Whoa. Whoa, I should not have done that. Whoa.
You're in a dizzy rainbow.
What was that?
Play it, record it. No, don't say it.
Oh, is that one of those things that never ever work ever? We're seeing what the sun looks like under different rays of light. Like this is ultraviolet right now. It looks blue and explodey.
These are all ultraviolet.
Oh, they are? Oh, just
This one's closer to the visible light spectrum though. This one. So just barely ultraviolet.
What's human eye? Yeah, pretty much. I don't see those spots though. I guess if I look long enough, yeah.
I like
Yeah,
this.
I'm not the only one. So how long would it take to say oh? 1 microsecond? 1 millisecond?
100.
Wow, yeah.
Okay, so getting low.
Go on Google, see how long Google is? Well, let's say that. How many zeros? That's an easy answer. What's that? Yeah, 100 zeros, yeah. But what I'm saying is...
Google Plex is a Google zero.
Right. But mathematicians are trying to find the biggest number, and it's not as easy as it sounds. And there's so many unanswered questions in mathematics, which is crazy to think about. There's a lot to learn about math. It's fascinating if you have the brain for it. But unfortunately, and fortunately, I don't have the brain for it. Because if I had the brain for it, I'd probably find it boring.
My job to be in my future life.
What do you want your job to be in?
Every day I want to put the marbles back on their place.
Yeah, that's so cool. I mean, we've seen these pendulums at so many science museums, but we've never seen... No, none of them do this. This is really cool.
Knock the marbles off.
Yeah.
I want to put it off.
Yeah, we're not leaving until we see a marble knockoff.
How much longer that is?
Might be an hour.
That's not an hour. I think it's every 20 minutes.
I do not have that kind of attention span. No, you don't. Actually, yeah, you do.
It looks like it's really long. I didn't get that.
Yeah, that's just like those coin droppers, the coin drop machine. Oh, if I put one more quarter in, it's gonna knock all the other ones over.
Super cool.
All right, I'm not gonna record. It's gonna be too long. All right, it figures, but as soon as I hit the unrecord, like 3 marbles dropped in the span of maybe 10 minutes. You missed it. Sorry. It was an amazing experience. One that cannot be captured on film. But we're heading out towards our hotel. Probably gonna have dinner and make it an early night. We'll see. Things can always change, as you know. There we go. This will tell us if it's gonna knock it all down or do they stack. Nope, there they go. I want to see if it does my favorite thing now.
I want it to bounce.
Oh, it's not going. Yeah.
Let's see if one of them does.
Here we go.
Yeah, there.
Let's see if one of them does. What this one's doing.
Yay! Whee! Do you want to play whack-a-mole? Press the button to start. Or whack a Sunday.
Refrigerator, it's time you better think about what you're gonna eat and what you're gonna You wanna fill your belly, but you don't know how. You think it's running empty, I know you wanna scream. Now look at me more tempted than a big banana cream. Refrigerator, it's time you better think about what you're gonna eat and what you're gonna drink. Refrigerator, it's time you better think about what you're gonna eat and what you're gonna. I'm here to tell you straight up that all that junk food doesn't pay us. So limit the chips and the hot fat snacks that only get your weight up. Refrigerator, it's time to realize that your body needs to grow. But how can you be set to go when you're running suicide? So do yourself a favor, don't be a candy craver. Start your day with breakfast and have a healthy lunch. Make half your brains whole wheat. Choose that lean meat. Eat your fruits and veggies. And before you pour that cola, remember drinking water. You know I told you, nutrition, now that's your mission. Your lifelong ambition.
Choose one. Oh, did you choose oatmeal? Oh.
Remote! Give up! No. Oh, I don't think so. That would be like, you know, too much exercise.
Too much exercise.
Actually, if you look at it right here, it does look a lot like Spaceship Earth, so you're right. Hi, Fiesta Frog? Fiesta.
Our pencils match him.
Fiesta's a bit.
Oh yeah, they do mess.
It's a bit.
Yeah. All right, let's get out of here. I think the exit's right.
I like their logo.
Their logo is good. Okay, speaking of things you like, what do you like about that museum?
It was cool.
Okay, Aaron. Aaron, do you have anything more substantive?
I liked playing like the strings on for the piano.
Yeah, that part was cool. Yeah, they had a lot of course it's the science museum, so it's a lot of interactive hands-on activities. We learned quite a bit, and it was nice to have some fun in the museum for a change.
A change?
Well, from this morning. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, maybe we enjoyed this even more.
I think we did.
Yeah, but anyways.
I really like Greenfield Village though, but these guys aren't really into that thing.
It was okay. I appreciate it, but I didn't want to role play with all the people that are that are there working. All right, we're gonna head to our apartment. We don't have
Our hotel room.
Our hotel room. We don't have an apartment either. And we might just stay in for the night. We might eat a Del Taco. Believe it or not, there's a Del Taco here. It just opened. Oh, hopefully that means In-N-Out's coming. Yeah, I have no idea where I'm going. I think we're this way. Yeah, we walk this way. We're this way. We're this way.
Hey! I'm here for the game!
I don't know. We might be here for a while, I guess. Okay, just for the record, I was right. We go right through here to get to our car. And Mommy was wrong. I just needed that on film. Because it's so rare that it happens, I feel really good when I'm right. And off we go. The bridge, but I just don't know what that big steel thing on the top is for.
Looks like it comes down somewhere.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, it has a bunch of gears on there.
I turn here?
Yeah, you follow. Yeah, these two lanes turn.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto South Fort Street.
That bridge behind us is weird.
Yeah, it was. So what do you think all that is? Oh yeah, never mind. I saw it. Yeah. are fascinating. All these tubes and containers. Crazy all the work that gets involved. Just to make us go on our road trip.
Yeah.
Just as for that tiny portion of what helps us go on our road trip, actually. If we had a Tesla, we wouldn't depend on those at all.
What?
If we had a Tesla, we wouldn't have to depend on those pipes and containers at all.
You just have to find a charging station.
Oh yeah, that's right. It would be a different problem, yeah. Alright, we're at 2:14. We don't have a dog, so we're good. What's the name of this motor lodge? Okay, sure. But anyway, this is a pretty nice room. We got, thankfully, a fridge and a microwave, a newer TV. Mommy has a sitting area too. So, and Aaron has a workstation for his laptop. And we have a functioning bathroom, so we're good to go. I don't think this will be the last episode of the night. And actually, we'll probably put this at the end, even if this isn't the last video of the night, so we can go ahead and press the button now. No matter what happens before or after, depending on how you're watching this. So Aaron, tomorrow, we're not sure exactly what we're doing yet. We haven't decided, but you're coming with us whether you like it or not. So Aaron, press that button.